Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to find your YouTube stream key and stream URL. If you are setting up OBS Studio, Streamlabs or any other streaming software, you will need both of these to start streaming on YouTube. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Go to youtube.com. Sign into your YouTube account if you haven't already. Click Create in the top right corner. Then select Go Live or go to studio.youtube.com. Click Create in the top right corner. Then select Go Live. If this is your first live stream, complete YouTube's live streaming verification if required. Once you are on the live control room page, click Learn how to use encoders. Here you will find your stream key and stream URL. Or click Manage, click Schedule Stream. Create a new stream. Enter your stream title. Choose your privacy settings. Then save the stream. Click Learn how to use encoders to find your stream key and stream URL. Click Copy to copy it. If you want to view it, click Show. If you want to create a new custom stream key, click Default Stream Key. Then select Create a new stream key. Give it a name. Then click Create. Click Learn how to use encoders. Here you will find your new stream key. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to find your YouTube stream key and stream URL for OBS Studio, Streamlabs or any other streaming software. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.